Right, welcome back to the channel. Now we've got another video on algebraic fractions, and what we're going to try to do is factorize them first and then go and simplify. So should be nice and quick because you all know how to factorize already. If not, go check out those videos and then let's get simplifying. So looking at the first one, let's just quickly write that out here. So we've got a over a plus 2, and this is a divide, so I don't want that. I want to flip the second fraction, change this to a multiply, so we'll put a times here, and then we'll have a squared minus 4a minus 12 over 2a squared. And what I want to do now is probably factorize the quadratic at the top, so let's go ahead and do that. So we'll have a plus 2 times by, and that there is going to be, well, a and a. We need two numbers, that's going to times to 12, so we're going to be, what, 6 and 2, so we'll go minus 6 plus 2. And then over here, 2a squared. So we've gone and factorized it. What can we see now? If we do some cross cancelling, you've got your a plus 2 and a plus 2 over there. So we can cancel both of those. So leave us at 1 and 1. And then we've also got a squared and a. So we can cancel one of those with that one there. So on the top, actually, all we're left with is a plus 6. So, sorry, a minus 6. And then on the bottom, we're just left with 2a. So that's that one there. So let me write that across here. So that's a minus 6 over 2a. So that's the first one done. Let's quickly rub this out and go for the second one. So the second one, it looks like that there's going to be a difference of 2 squares at the top there, actually. So let's quickly write this one out. That there, it's going to factorize, hopefully you spotted it, to 3b plus 1 and then 3b minus 1. So always be on the lookout when you see some square numbers. So 9, you've got b squared, it's all squared. And so you're going to be looking out, be a bit fishy, look for the difference of 2 squares. And then on the bottom, it looks like we can just take out a 4 from the bottom there. So maybe 4 and then b plus 2, something like this. Put the times sign back in. Cross there, can't do anything with that, so we'll just put it as b plus 2. And then on the bottom, likewise, can't do anything there, so we'll just leave that as 3b plus 1. And then let's look to do some cancelling. So I think we can do cancelling here. We've got b plus 2, b plus 2. And then we've got 3b plus 1, 3b plus 1. And so overall, we're just left with 3b minus 1 on the top over 4. There we go. And that's it. Can't go any further with that one. Let's write that answer down in here. So that's 3b minus 1 all over 4. Okay, cool. Let's just rub this out and we'll do the next one. Okay, now the next one, I think again, we've got difference of 2 squares in here for sure. And then maybe again over there actually as well. So I can also see a divide. So maybe what we want to do, change this to a multiply and flip the second fraction. So we'll have x squared minus 16, then 4x squared plus 16x plus 12, but times by. Now flip that over, so you've got x squared plus 4x plus 3 all over 16 minus x squared. There we go, this is looking better. And now we're going to do some factorizing. Hopefully we'll find some common factors and we'll do some cancelling. So on the top here, that is definitely the difference of 2 squares. So we'll need x plus 4 and x minus 4, like this. Now, I've just spotted something here, because that quadratic over there is pretty much the same as this. This is just 4 times as big. So actually, I don't even want to put this into double brackets. All I'm going to do is just take this out and put a 4 here and make it x squared plus 4x plus 3. Because now it's, well, exactly the same as this one up here. So we can cancel the whole thing. And now down the bottom, this is also the difference of 2 squares, but it's going to be 4 minus x and 4 plus x. So we know we can cancel these for sure. Those are gone. But, oh yeah, and we've got this, x plus 4 and 4 plus x, that's the same anyway. So we can definitely get rid of those. Now it would be nice if we could cancel these. But we can't at the moment. Maybe we should neaten this up first. Let's neaten this up to see what we've got left. So we've got x plus 4 on the top. Oh, it's x minus 4 on the top, sorry. And on the bottom, 4 and then 4 minus x. So what we could do is maybe we could factor out a minus from this. Because if we do that, then watch what happens. So this here, let me just write it. Where should we write it? Let's write it over here. So we'll go 4 minus x That's what it is at the moment. But if I take a minus out of there, then I can change this and write minus 4 plus x. So it will change the sign of everything inside the bracket, which means this will then become, I can write this as x minus 4. And this looks great because on the top we've got x minus 4 as well. So look at this. At the bottom, the 4 minus x, I've changed it to minus and then x minus 4. So now let's rewrite that. So we've got this. And on the bottom we'll have minus 4 lots of x minus 4. And so now we can just go and cancel top and bottom, that and that, to leave us with 1 on the top. And so final answer there is just going to be minus a quarter. And that's that. So this one here, all of this is equal to minus a quarter. And then one more to go, number 4. So quite a big looking fraction there. So I'll just quickly get rid of this. Okay, right, last one. So it's already multiplying, so that's great. Maybe we'll go straight into factorizing the top left. So I think we're going to need a 3x and an x. 5 and 2, so maybe 5, 2, we'll need a negative here, a plus here, that's that done. The bottom will need a 2x and an x, well, 7 and 5. What combination, what way around do we need this? 7 and 5. 7 here to give me 14, 5 here, so this is going to be minus and plus, there we go. Then times in here, factorize the top there, that's going to be, well, another 2x and an x, so this time it's going to be 5 and 1. Which way around? 5 and 1. And just plus and plus actually this time, that's a nice one. And then on the bottom, oh yeah, that's a nice easy quadratic there. You've got x and x, 5 and 2 minus 5 and plus 2, there we go. So that's all factorized there. And now we just look for some common factors, we start cancelling. So x minus 5 and x minus 5, those are gone. 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5, those are also gone. I think that's it for the time being, that's all we can do. So this, all it comes down to is then 3x plus 2, x plus 1 over x minus 7 and x plus 2. And there we go. We can leave it like that. So there it is, just simplifying a few algebraic fractions. Hopefully that's nice and clear for you. And then we can actually go on to adding and subtracting some algebraic fractions next time. Hope to see you there.